If you're visiting Hanoi's Old Quarter and looking for a boutique hotel, let me show you one that might be worth checking out. This is Peridot Gallery Classic Boutique Hotel, right in the heart of Hanoi's Old Quarter. When we arrived, the staff welcomed us with a refreshing drink and a sweet snack while waiting for our room. My sister and I stayed in their Grand Deluxe Room with 2 single beds, and the space feels really comfortable. On this side, you'll find a kettle, bottled water, and complimentary coffee and tea. And just underneath the table is the mini fridge. The bathroom comes with a bathtub and complete amenities like toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, and shower cap. While the shower area includes bath gel, shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. And there's a large mirror above the sink for getting ready before heading out. Here's another angle of the beds and the room layout. The closet includes a hair dryer, safe, slippers, bathrobe, and even a laundry bag. Across the beds is the console table and television. On the other side, there's a lamp, a telephone, and some paper with a pen. Beside the TV is a large mirror with a bench underneath. From this angle, you can see the full layout of the room, from the beds to the bathroom and the closet. Overall, the room feels cozy, well-designed, and perfect after a long day exploring Hanoi.